pretty much started the company from scratch, I mean, without any funds. I remember my wife being 8 months pregnant, coming home from work, and said, I've quit my job and I'm going to start a company, and I looked at her and I said, sure, we are. And we did.
I'm a health educator by training, and to me that means taking care of people. So I felt if I started my own company, I could probably take it in the directions that I wanted to take it, and that is to make a difference in people's lives.
I grew up in a household where public health, health communications, health education was the conversation at the dinner table. And to see my parents grow something from the ground up was incredibly inspiring.
Our culture is a culture of purpose. Serving underserved communities and populations is something that we have such a passion for, and it's reflected in every aspect of the work that we do.
It's really important for people to have access to science-based, accurate information, especially when it comes to health. With information comes power, and that means power to take care of yourself and to lead a healthy life.
Some people, when they get an acute diagnosis, it's alarming and they don't really know what to do, and to be able to provide them with some information really is a blessing. When serving is your heart, when serving is something that's significant to you, the person on the other end, they can actually hear a smile.
You walk the halls of this place, and it looks like a UN.
We're able to attract very skilled people that can work in creative, work across digital and communications, who understand how research impacts the user experience on a website.
We really do live, breathe, and sort of believe in this culture of health. And I think the company, cares as much about the health of its employees as it does about the promotion of health throughout the nation and throughout the world.
Public health saves lives, It's not a myth, it's not a hoax, it's not a fake news. People like us just work to try and translate what we've learned into ways that can really reach people with an understanding of why it's important and what they can do to be healthier. Everybody wants that.
I've been told by clients that they see us as an extension of their staff. They trust our creative, they trust our strategy, they trust our management of the projects, on time, cost savings. So we definitely focus on giving them innovative approaches to doing the things they're traditionally doing. Have you thought about this? Have you moved in this direction yet? Can we help move you further?
We had the honor to expand into global health. 20 different countries and cities were affecting around the globe.
And in the future, what we're really looking at is voice technologies, personal assistance. What advances can we make for the public in order to make a difference in this world?
We have to be curious, we have to want to learn, we have to be empathetic and want to try and find answers for people.
You're handling these particular projects and duties for a reason, and always for a greater cause.
I don't know any other way to use my talents if it's not for good.
It's an IQ thing, it's a project thing, and it's a helping people thing.